Welcome to T7 Trade Labs. In today you're going to see how in 12 minutes I had manually trading our system and we were up over $1,360 in 12 minutes. That is really fast, and very often in the morning we see that using our system. And as always, we love to empower traders to become consistent profitable, having a quick entry in the morning and get done with the trading within 20-30 minutes. So let's take a look at the trades we had. So in the morning here we can see that gold had an incredible push to the upside. We started going below the 200, and right here that's what we're looking for. We had an entry here, and after 10 ticks, first target hit $100 plus on that trade, rest out of break even. So that was our initial trade then in the morning. Second trade was on crude then. We had a short around the 200. We saw that all the way it had been going down. We entered around the 200. Again, 10 ticks were hit. Our stop was then in break even and was out break even with the second and third target. So another 100 up, 200 up so far. From the Nasdaq, we came in. I had my stop a little bit too tight here. As you can see, it came down and hit me here. I was ready to get in long this way, and we had a loss of max $240. So now total is minus $40, and just in the start. And then we had another trade here giving us $50 first target hit, out break even on rest. Moving on, we had a short here on 200 hitting first target, out break even again. So now totally 140. Then we had a break even trade right here. That was very, very close to becoming one of those large trades, as you will see further down. And then we had here the trade that was going to be very similar to that. Is they hadn't hit our break even right here at the tick here. So that you will see what it led to. So first target hit $50, second target hit 125. And then all the way down here to the opposite signal came target 3, and that was $385. So total now 700. So this trade at all was about $500 plus. You can imagine if it hadn't hit to the tick or stop here, we'd had even more on this trade, probably about 600. And we also engaged in a trade on the E-mini, which is S&P 500 futures. We saw that we came in here, engaged in a short here as we have been in a range, and it started to come in heavy. One trading room said there is heavy downward on the E-mini coming in of volume. So we got in $100 on first 2 points, 3 points second target 150 on that, and all the way down here to over 10 points another $512, and up $1,460 in 12 minutes and 22 seconds this morning. That was trading gold, crude oil, Nasdaq, and E-mini all in those 12 minutes. And again, guys, we see this over and over, and we have a daily goal and we reach it super fast. So you want to learn how to trade, come and join us in T7 Trade Labs. We also support Amnesty International to save and rescue children from human trafficking. So you get two win-win here. We teach you how to become profitable trader, trading in the morning, and that's it. And also help rescue children. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.